Push it with that push. Go on. Because my fucking manhole was blocked.
Oh, you don't need that. We really don't need that manhole being blocked, like we're telling our people. Last thing we need is that being blocked.
Fuck you. Oh,
We'd be sank. Done for. Don't matter if it's 4x4 or got a winch. We'll just sink.
Well, now we've took bongs out.
Pray for me! Every heart's a prayer! That's what they say, isn't it, innit?
Winch shower.
Nearly took window clean out that.
Why not, homie?
Did as well, nearly took window clean out. Oh, boosh! Like, come on, Kecker. You think you can wheel fucking window up? What wing mirror's gone? That's what back bang down there. Oh, let me go grab it. Wing mirrors, man. See, when we do go out, it's nuts, you know, all sorts happen. I wanted to do a ghost hunt, but it's like, you're not bringing no ghost up here. So, obviously... Oh, yeah, we lost her. Can't do that.
You can imagine if that wing mirror was a person.
Oh, don't.
Well, that's probably cool.
Yeah, shut up. I'll have to beat that bit out now. Here we go. Why do you say shit like that? You know, right, there's a thing called jinx. And there's another thing called karma, so just keep it up, Brandon. Oh, boy. Ooh, me eye again.
I got fucking slap. Retreat.
Do you remember that day I come went scrapping and did that metal thing swing back and took me eye clean out? There's nuts in it sometimes. Look at all this scenery. Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing like a little ghost hunt or something here. I think it'd be fun. Yeah, man. I would. I'd get up with you, start filming, doing the job and all that shit, then we'll sit in the afternoon. I'll have to blur half the afternoon out because I know what he'll be doing. I'll have to be like, he's just making big roll-ups. It's just got back on him, that. Oh shit. Don't know what's going on here, but he's slipped it into 4. Oh. See people, I hope you appreciate this. Ooh, look at that. I am putting my life on the line for you guys. It's crazy. This is just bare real, this, guys. Just bare real. No, I'm just taking piss out of a few people, never mind me. But yeah, look at this. Ooh! You see that, Brandon? I swear, you know what? Right, that's it, I'm not having this. Don't know if anyone could tell them, but I nearly lost my blower. Here we go. Oh yeah, I like this place.
I don't reckon much that window cleaner.
I don't know. Why do you think I'm dangling out of here? Don't let me lose my phone, Daniel. I could have sworn that was that little circle bit where you drive round tree and then, you know. So yeah, we're out and about. Oh, look at that Mr. Fog there. Nice and foggy down there, people, if you can't see. We're going into the unknown. When we go in here, we do not know which universe or dimension we'll end up in. But guys, I hope to see you after. See you soon, guys. Just ignore me.
I've fenced it off.
Oh, that's how naughty you are. We're gone, we don't know who it is. We don't know when it comes, but we're not having it. And for you people what are thinking, oh, look at them doing it. These are actual tracks. We're allowed to go around here before any of you all start going. Yeah.